Hello Year 9 and hello Year 9 parents. My name is Mr. Barber. I'm Head of Computing and IT at Werneth School, and I'm going to be talking you through the choices that your child or yourself will have to make in Year 9. Now in Year 9 you have to choose between Computer Science GCSE and IT BTEC. I'm going to be going through what both those courses entail and what is required for each of them. Please note that Computer Science is an EBacc subject. For computer science, you need to be good at maths and English, and you need to be good at exams. You also may find it interesting if you're good at programming. If you've got a strong inclination towards programming, you don't really need to be in top set maths and English. However, the course is assessed by a written exam and an online exam, so you do need to be good at exams. For BTEC IT, the main method of assessment is coursework. And there is an exam component, though it's not as significant, but you need to be thorough, organised, and be prepared to submit work on time. The BTEC course that we do is the Technical Award in Digital and Information Technology. You will learn about how to make a point of information system for Component 1 and how to make a dashboard for Component 2. You will also learn about the theory and working methods of making IT applications without programming. In BTEC, Components 1 and 2 are internally assessed. The work is internally checked by other teachers and the exam board may request a sample. I'm pleased to report that Miss Birds has got accreditation for this course, so that the request for a sample is unlikely to take place. Component 3 is a task set and marked by the exam board and completed under exam conditions. Please note that you must pass Components 1, 2 and 3 to be awarded a qualification. You may wish to resit exams at the end of Year 11, and that is allowed. You take the exams in February and you can resit them again in May. You can improve your marks. Once your work has been submitted, your teacher will give you feedback on that work, and then you've got one opportunity to resubmit your work. The coursework units are made up of assignments that contain pass, merit and distinction criteria at levels 1 and 2. I'm going to be going through those in more detail in the following slides. A pass at level 2 is a C, a merit is a B, a distinction is a 7 or an A. You can also achieve a D star, which is equivalent to an 8 or an A star. Your marks for the coursework assessed components 1 and 2 is converted into points. These points then get added to the points that you achieve in the exam. All 3 components are added together to make an overall grade using this table. So for example, if components 1, 2 and 3 add up to 59 marks, you've got a level 1 distinction. Please note that you can achieve a level 1 distinction and a level 2 distinction star overall, but you cannot achieve those grades on individual components. I'm now going to tell you about the GCSE course that we offer. We offer the GCSE Computer Science course of 2020. This is comprised of 2 parts. Computer Science includes exams, and this is one of them. It's a written 1.5 hour exam that makes up 50% of the qualification. 5 of the 6 topics for the course will be covered. These are computational thinking, data, computer hardware and software, networks and issues and impact. Now, topic 5, issues and impact, is also in component 3 of the BTEC course as well. So it would be handy if you chose both, because you've got a bit of crossover there. You learn programming and are assessed on programming on paper 2. Paper 2 is 50% of the qualification. It's an online exam. In that online exam, you will be asked to debug algorithms, you'll be asked to make trace tables, you will be asked to refine and evaluate existing programs. You will also be provided with 6 files that have been corrupted, that are computer coded, and you will need to fix them in Python 3. Now, I'm very pleased that this is on the course, because in the past you've had to write a computer program from scratch, and that's not realistic for the workplace. Most people, when they finish the qualifications, will be fixing existing code rather than writing code from scratch. Now, I'm aware that what I've said is a bit wordy for computer science, and I can summarise it very easily. Computer science is both theoretical and practical. There is a written paper for the theory, which makes up 50%, and an online exam for the programming, which makes another 50%. Now, I'm sure you'll have many other questions, but I'm grateful for your time. Thank you for listening, and please email ICT inquiries if you've got any further questions. Thank you for listening.